Hello everyone. Let's talk about the project close of SmartTV UTxO abstraction layer. Is a project we make with Protofire. Here we got a couple of details of the project. The project started 9 months ago. Was a long travel and have a lot learning about this kind of project. So how to make different tools for this network. So if we talk about which challenge we enter and why, we enter to this project with the objective to simplify the on-chain data management for the app developers. So uh, of course our objective is give a streamlined access to blockchain data and give us a good way to access to that information. So there we got the second point. What was our approach? We want to make a database cache to make a little bit of redundancy of the blockchain queries. These have different problems, for example, to currency, and this project will be a bit complex, but it's powerful too. So we make a couple of toolkits to work. Finally, we got technical solutions, to kind of a data abstraction layer for translating the UTxO into the database format. That will give us a real-time synchronization with the blockchain and different kind of APIs to streamline the data access. Once the project get live, we establish a core architecture for the Smart DB library. We implement a support for MongoDB. And later we develop an initial API toolkit to start to the project go on. Later we implement Progress SQL and that gives us the possibility to implement any DB any database we want. We got a lot of learning and challenges. But for example, the blockchain complexity will be a little bit difficult to translate the UTXO system to a developer-friendly schema. Of course, the performance and optimizations will be a bit complicated, but we engage that and we go ahead. And of course, the community engagement. Of course, we want this project fund value for the Cardano developers, of course. We divide our project in milestones that have different objectives, kind of implement the two database systems like Postgres of Mongo, make different features anytime. We make different kind of examples and implementations, and that gives us a couple of feedback on how to we can go ahead and what we going to need in the future. I want to give you a quick project demonstration. First of all, we got the core GitHub repository. If we go down, we got all the information of this project, and here we wanna talk about the DBS ecosystems. We make a different project like the core, this repository, but we got a scaffold to make the entities for the database. We got example and a template example. And I want to talk about this simple marketplace. This the app example with all the implementation of the Cardano Smart DB. Once we install the project, we can run it. The instruction of the installation are in the repository. If we see we got here our database is empty, we run it. Again, if we go back to the database, we can everything is made, but if we inspect inside this entity is already empty, we can make a sync. Every token in the smart contract, we can find this is update, and everything is fine. Finally, everything we can talk about the next steps of the project. Of course, we can space the database support and change different featurings and make this everything go optimal way and give us well like I say here, live updates and analytics for real-time insights. And we got different conversation exploit plans, like interface selections, offering premium features, ecosystem expansion. That's is the way we was working already. Well, we can make final thoughts. The Smart TV has the motto to have a potential of blending simplicity with the powerful database functionality. This project has not only enriched the Kotlin ecosystem, also highlight the importance of tools that prioritize the developer experience and scalability. So thank you for watching, and I hope you find it enjoyable, of course.